So this morning I came from that area there. Behind this stairwell are those ruins that I just viewed, and I just came from the top there where God was calling me. Looks like this might be open, so I'll walk up here. Look at these steps. I mean, they're not marvelous, but who the hell designed something like this? Oh, of course, somebody Italian. Oh, look at this. It's hard to tell in this video, but this guy is wearing a cloak and is reaching up towards the sky. And then up there, there's an angel. These steps are very unusual. I'm walking through these gates and I'm greeted by two individuals with cloaks but no other clothes, and they're riding horses with no saddles. Could you imagine riding a horse with no saddle and you have no clothes on? Looks like there's some repairs being done to this building. You can see the scaffolding at the top, and at the top here there are figures. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 figures. 8 figures. There's a sign here that says Capitolini. Oh, it's a museum. Capitol Museum, I guess similar to what we have here, what we have in Ottawa. So there's a fountain up here. So there's a clock up the top. It's hard to see because of the scaffolding. There's a fountain over here, 2 people, one here and one here, of knowing what they're doing, playing music perhaps. And there's a person of what looks like appears to be a woman sitting atop this fountain. She has what appears to be a sphere in her right hand, and that's not a trident. Some sort of poking rod or some sort on her. Sorry, she has a sphere on her left hand and a spear on her right hand, and she has some ornament on her head. There's some writing down here, but I can't really see it in the dark. I don't know what it says. And there's another building over here that looks pretty cool, but I don't know if I'm allowed to go up there. And with the police presence, I don't really care to get in trouble. I wasn't planning on this side of the trip. This is like a completely different side trip from what I have programmed on my Google Maps. I'm going to head back to that piazza place now, but wow. Yeah, I'm definitely running out of words to describe everything that I'm seeing here in Rome. Travel is one of the wonderful things, one of the wonderful life experiences. Being fortunate to have traveled in Europe and all across Canada. Something that I'll keep with me for the rest of my life. Some people enjoy materialistic goods, which is fine, that's their business. I do too, but I also enjoy the experience. I mean, watching the sun come up and rise over Rome, standing by the ass end of a horse. Thankfully it's made of stone. I mean, this here, this brick, this stone, everything here, the marble, the granite, everything I could touch. The coffee I have in the morning, which wakes me up. Italian coffee in the morning, a shot glass of, it's almost like vodka. That's one of the wonderful experiences of a travel. A couple of days ago, I had such a horrible experience just getting out here. The worst experience of my life in regards to beginning a trek, but everything came out, and overall, it was well worth it. So we'll continue onwards.